Hey homeowners! Thinking of upgrading your home's HVAC system, but stuck between VRV HVAC and traditional HVAC? Let's dive in and figure out which is the best choice for your needs. First off, what's a VRV HVAC system? VRV stands for Variable Refrigerant Volume. It's a commercial heating and cooling system that distributes refrigerant to different areas. It features multiple fan coil units that condition various spaces individually. In short, it's a flexible and energy-efficient solution. Now, on the other hand, traditional HVAC systems typically consist of a condenser, a compressor, and an evaporator unit. So, why go for VRV over traditional systems? Well, VRV systems are super energy efficient. They adjust the refrigerant flow based on the cooling or heating needs of each room. This means no wasted energy on areas that don't need it. Plus, VRV systems operate very quietly and offer precise temperature control. Traditional HVAC systems are reliable, but they are designed to cover your entire home with a single central unit. This can be less efficient since it doesn't cater to the different needs of various parts of your home. Conversely, VRV systems are designed to connect one condenser unit to multiple evaporator units, allowing individual control for each system. Let's talk features. VRV systems boast heat recovery, flexible and modular designs, and top-notch energy efficiency. They include variable speed compressors and centralized control systems. This means you get proportional integral derivative control over the temperature, keeping your home's climate comfortable and consistent. One standout feature of VRV systems is their quiet operation. Imagine running your HVAC system without any constant hum. VRV systems also provide superior heating performance, ensuring you and your family stay comfortable all year round. Perhaps the most impressive aspect is that these systems continuously adjust the refrigerant amount. They make use of the existing cooled air in your home, optimizing energy use. The variable speed system means it works only when and where needed, maintaining your comfort level without wasting energy. So, if you want a system that's flexible, energy efficient, and offers precise control, VRV might be the right choice for you. Traditional HVAC systems have their merits, but if you want to keep up with the latest technology, consider VRV systems. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips and comparisons from City Service Hub. See you next time.